Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel JKG English. I hope you are doing well and learning English in great way. As you know, this is my fourth day on YouTube, and in today's video, I am going to share with you what I did from morning to till night. My friends, as you know that my camera is not working, but I keep trying to make video. So I request to you, please watch the video till the end and support me, because your support will increase my confidence to make the video. My friend, today I wake up early in the My friend, today I woke up early in the morning, brushed my teeth, went to the shop and opened it, and then I cleaned outside the shop and inside, and then I cleaned both outside and inside the shop. After that, I described the real situation. After that, I described the real situation of my shop, village, and people's activities. And and when I did it, it made me feel it increased my confidence, and I do it every single day. And after that, many customers came to the shop, and I served them and tried to speak with them and tried. Meanwhile, a small boy came to the shop and he asked me for some biscuits of packets, and then I said that biscuit was not available at this time. You can choose you could choose another biscuit, and explained about the another biscuit properly. After that, he agreed to take another biscuit, and he bought worth 13 rupees worth 30 rupees of biscuit, and then I packed it into a plastic, and then he left. Just after few minutes, he returned again, and he told me that which biscuit he had taken from my shop, and he told me that which biscuit he wanted. He found in another shop, and which biscuit he had taken from my shop he wanted to replace, and then I said it's okay. You I returned his money, and after that he again took some goods, and then he again took some another goods, and after that my father came to the shop, and I returned home, and I took a bath, have food, and get ready to go to it. And because I had to bring fuel from the market, deposit money, and to fix my farming machine, and then my father gave me some money to fix that machine, that spray machine, and to bring fuel. And then I hired a small boy and said to him, "Go to the market." And then he agreed, and both we left from the shop by bikes. And then we got fixed our spray machine, and I kept that machine at that and explained him everything clearly. After that, I went to the main road. I went to the main road of city, and where and just near the main road there was a petrol pump, and then I went there to buy some fuel. And when I reached there, that petrol that employees told me that fuel could not give as much fuel as I wanted, and then I left from there and stepped forward. That I went. After that, I reached an another petrol pump, and where I asked to the two employees that petrol available, and then he told me that yes, and then it's okay. I would take after returning from the bank. And then I left from here again and reached at the bank, and the time was to open the bank. And then I observed and I saw that bank was empty. Nobody was there, and I immediately took a receipt and filled down it and jumped authorite, and I asked and then I asked employees that I wanted to change my passbook. Then he replied that passbook could not be changed because that authorities was not be arrived. And then I said it's okay, deposit the money. And then I deposited my phone started ringing, and I received a call who my brother-in-law, and then my brother-in-law, and then he told me that to come the near market. And then I said it's okay, I could come, but could you tell me for what I had to come to the market? Then he told me that he brought some mangoes for me, and I had to receive that mangoes from the market. And then I said it's okay, and I keep I kept that gallon in into the bank and left from there. And when I reached the main market of our area, where a lot of that market was crowded and vehicles are passing quickly, and sound was and and sound heard loudly, and then and a lot of soap located under the bridge, and then we eat bati chokha on at a stall, and then after waiting some time, my brother brother-in-law arrived, and I approached him and touched his feet, and then he gave me some mangoes, and after some few minutes that and then we left, and after some few minutes we left from here, and then we took the gallon from the bank and left immediately, and then I went to the same petrol pump where I asked before, where fuel was available, and I brought fuel and left from there, and then I crossed the road, and after that I went to the shop where I fixed my spread machine, and then I took that machine and returned to home. After that, after reaching the home, I I ate food. I ate food and mangoes, and then I took a rest, and after that I started practicing around 2 hours. So my friend, that was the and I hope it will be a little helpful for you. If you do like this every single day, you will find big changes, you will find big improvement between in 1 month. You will started this speaking your daily routine only few days. So take care, bye bye, have a nice day, and in the end of the video I would like to thank to you because you kept watching the video till the end.